Welcome to IT Vendor Manager. This comprehensive guide will teach you how to effectively manage technology vendors and build strong partnerships that drive your organization's success. Vendor management is the process of overseeing and coordinating relationships with external suppliers who provide goods or services to your organization. It involves selecting the right vendors, negotiating contracts, monitoring performance, and ensuring they deliver value aligned with your business needs. Effective vendor management reduces operational risks, ensures consistent service quality, improves cost efficiency, and strengthens your supply chain. It helps you maintain business continuity while building mutually beneficial relationships with your technology partners. The vendor lifecycle consists of 5 key stages. First is planning and identification, where you determine your needs. Second is selection and evaluation, where you assess potential vendors. Third is negotiation and contracting. Fourth is onboarding and implementation. Finally comes monitoring and optimization throughout the partnership. When selecting a vendor, evaluate their technical expertise and industry experience. Consider their financial stability and reputation in the market. Review their service level agreements and support capabilities. Assess their security and compliance certifications. Finally, ensure they can scale with your organization's growth. Service level agreements, or SLAs, are contracts that define the performance standards you expect from your vendor. They specify response times for support issues, system uptime guarantees, and penalties if targets are not met. Clear SLAs protect both your organization and the vendor by setting realistic expectations. Key performance indicators help you measure vendor success. Track uptime percentage to ensure service availability. Monitor response time for issue resolution. Measure customer satisfaction through regular feedback. Assess cost efficiency against contracted rates. Review compliance with security standards. Regular tracking ensures accountability and identifies improvement opportunities. Identify potential risks such as vendor financial instability or technology obsolescence. Implement mitigation strategies like backup vendors and regular audits. Establish contingency plans for critical service interruptions. Create clear exit strategies in contracts. Maintain regular communication to catch issues early before they become problems. Foster regular communication through scheduled review meetings and feedback sessions. Share your organization's roadmap and future needs with vendors. Recognize their achievements and provide constructive feedback for improvement. Create win-win scenarios where both parties benefit. Invest in the relationship through collaborative planning and transparent dialogue. Start by documenting the issue clearly with specific evidence and impact assessment. Then escalate through proper channels following your established procedures. Work toward a mutually beneficial solution through negotiation. If needed, involve third-party mediation. Finally, implement preventive measures to avoid similar conflicts in the future. Vendor management is about building strategic partnerships, not just transactional relationships. Documentation through clear contracts and SLAs protects everyone involved. Regular communication prevents misunderstandings and builds trust. Continuous measurement and monitoring ensure accountability and value delivery. Effective vendor management is essential for organizational success through technology excellence.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.